Okay, so your direction should bring you to this screen right here. So I set up a folder for you, and you'll see me and Jocelyn have our folders. I'm gonna go into my folder, but when you click into yours, um, to add, to add like a file or something, you click right over here on new, and then file upload, and then it comes with up with this. So you just like can search, like your OneDrive comes up and your desktop comes up. So you just have to find your file in there. Um, I'm gonna go back and go to one of mine. So also like up here, this is where you start recording. So it's like this little arrow button. And it'll tell you like the time, and it says your desktop is being recorded. Um, and then usually, so like right before you record, there's a little button that has like the microphone settings. So I like to do just kind of like a test, and it'll have like a thing that's going up and down to say like if it's registering sound or not. I actually use these, they're just regular like iPhone headphones. And I use like the microphone is in here just because for some reason my um, microphone didn't work. So right now I have the webcam on. I don't usually do this, but just to like show you some things, I put it on for now, but there's a little slider tab where you don't have to use the webcam. So you can just slide that off. And I wish I could show you, but I can't. Maybe I'll put a screenshot in the um, file for you. Okay, so now you go into your folder. I'm just going to click on a Word document here. So it'll say this, it'll pop up, and then you go open with Google Docs. And then it'll open up like this. And I usually, so right now I have it clicked on my whole desktop. So like if I move this, you can see what's going on my desktop. Um, Actually, no, I don't usually have it on desktop. I usually do it on browser. So that once again, we have this little tab, but I don't think I can show you that right now because it's already being recorded. So I'll put those directions in the Word document. So once you have this here, you just talk as you would, and then you can use like a stylus or your finger works too, or you can like type in as you go. Um, but right down here, these are all the buttons. So this one is just like if you wanted to do like a pointer. So like this, these are pointers. This is the pen. So if you wanted to like write on here, you know, filling in the notes. I write with like I have a stylus pen. I don't know if you have one of those, but you can also use your finger, which doesn't work as well, or you can just type it right in. But if you want to type, it has to be clicked on this pointer thing, and then you can type and it just comes right up. Eraser in case you need to erase, and then webcam. This might hide it. Yep. Okay. So I guess, yeah, if you wanted to have the webcam and then take it away, you could do that. That's actually good to know. And then this pause button. So you would press the pause button and then press the stop button, and it would stop recording. And then it'll bring you to, yeah, I just did a video. So it'll bring you to something like this. And then once you have finished, you press on here where it says publish to YouTube, and make sure it'll come up with something that says private. I'm just gonna see if I can do this for a second. Say publish to YouTube. I already uploaded this, but it would say like private. Okay, so private or public. So you would put public. And I don't know if it's going to come up as St. Ray's Math or Alexander Max, and that was our original name, but we changed it. So just make sure it has that, and then you put it'll say publish here. You click publish, and it'll go right to YouTube. And then you can click on this. It says copy the link, and then you can post that link on Plus Portals or wherever you're going to be sharing it. So it automatically goes there, and then you can click on the view on YouTube so you can see that it uploaded. Make sure that the sound works and all that. If you have other questions, feel free to ask, but I think for the most part, that's pretty much it. But when you go to stop your recording, what's happening here? Let's go back to my note. Okay. So when you go to stop your recording, and then it'll give you a stop button, and you click on that, and then it'll automatically create your video.